Hello everyone, good to see you. Are you ready to draw a starry-eyed owl? No, that's not really a species of owl, but I just made it up, but I really like it and you'll see why soon. I'm using a black marker, but I suggest that you use a pencil and sketch super lightly so you can erase whenever you need to. Owls are always perching on branches, so you can create your own branches. This is how I do mine. You can do yours any way you like. In this step, I'm adding a zigzag pattern around his eyes. Looks kind of like a star, right? Hence the starry-eyed owl. Where's your owl? In the city with buildings behind it? Maybe in a swamp with moss hanging from the branches? Mine just has a golden moon hanging over a forest scene. Here I'm adding a little bit of extra color on each of these triangular feathers on his chest, just for some extra detail. Now for a bit of night sky behind it to finish this scene, and we're done. Please subscribe and like, people. I'm working real hard here. Here comes the wash.